Assalamu alaikum guys. So welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how you can do your SEO in just 2 minutes of your video. You don't waste your own time on these things, and you can only in a bite of seconds you can do your YouTube video SEO. Sometimes you are uploading a re-uploaded content like some cartoons and more videos, like you want to re-upload and want to monetize your channel, and you don't want to waste your time to find proper keywords and waste your time to find good looking titles for YouTube video and how you can write your description. I will tell you the easiest two methods, and you can learn how you can complete these things. So first of all, your video target on which are you uploading. The first one is I want to upload video on. So I want to upload video on how to rank YouTube video. So this is my topic. I want to upload on it. I know there is 1,000 of videos available on YouTube for YouTube SEO and other things. Just you search your own topic and I search my own topic. If you want to searching a drama like money heist movie series, anything what you want to upload, but I am now here uploading because my channel is about tech and I want to upload here a tech videos. So I want to use YouTube SEO. So here I'll open this one, and this is the vidIQ tool. I hope I teach you about this tool in the last video which I uploaded. I'll show there how you can set your free of cost. Now the first thing is you don't properly copy these things, because anyone's have sees that and he can easily understand you are the cheater. So now just search here Google Bard. Don't open chat gpt because chat
Anyone can
gpt is
rank
very
number one on
slow.
YouTube. You
And
just have to
now,
know about.
so close it. Now open chat gpt. Here, I'll show you two steps where you can easily do your SEO, and you can find the perfect titles for YouTube video just by AI, and the second is manually. Uh, First of all, we look at the first step, which is which we get help from AI. So just search here, just prompt here, please write YouTube video description and keywords and best titles for my video. So we know these three things are most common, and here is the video details. So you can copy this one. I'll share in my description, but you can easily copy this prompt. And now I'll explain my topic here. I want to create a video on how to rank videos on YouTube and YouTube video SEO. So and this is my topic, and I just prompt here. You can find he will put out the SEOable title ideas, description, and other things. So these are the title ideas: YouTube ranking secret, how to get videos seen in 2024, and the ultimate guide to YouTube SEO, rank your videos in higher, and YouTube SEO rocket. Okay. So this is the, you can know, this is a description. Struggling on YouTube, you can use in your video, and here is the, there is the bonus tips. Just write here, write keywords and thumbnail dialogues. So there's two things are left, which is the first one is keywords, and number second is the dialogues. So this is a here this is the high volume keywords, mid volume keyword, long tail keywords, and thumbnail dialogues. So now you can pro tips, use bright colors, contrast text, clear fonts to make your thumbnail. So this is the ultimate guide for you. You can use Gemini for this thing. And the second is manually. How? Just copy this title and just copy this video title. I'll zoom in. Just see the title YouTube SEO and how I rank on YouTube in 2024. You can use your own words like how to rank on YouTube in the first line. And you can also copy these descriptions and how you can copy keywords from this video. Just share link and copy the link. And here you can write the tool name of keyword extractor from YouTube. So open Tube Ranker YouTube tool. So I think I'll complete my 2 days. So here I search and extract tags. Extract tags. So here you can check. These all are the keywords which is using by Google in this video. So you can copy and paste in your video. So thank you and Allah Hafiz. I hope you understand. Bye bye.